Welcome to this Flipdish tutorial. Today we're going to cover how to configure settings that span across your website and apps, such as color schemes, logo, brand names, and also take a look at how to update the look and feel of your website with images and section layouts. We've designed this extremely easy to use editor for our customers so that they can customize their Flipdish online ordering system without having to have any background in web development or code writing. Please note this tutorial is only relevant for customers who have a website created by Flipdish. So firstly, you will need to log into the Flipdish portal by going to portal.flipdish.com and then click on Settings and then on General on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you will be able to set various settings which affect both your website and mobile apps. Let's take a look at all the different settings you can configure here. Firstly, SMS sender name. This value is used as the from name in SMSs sent to your customers. You can use any alphanumeric string up to 11 characters. Symbols and special characters outside the standard Latin alphabet are not permitted. The SMS sender cannot consist of only numeric characters. For example, you must include at least one letter. Please note that to aid SMS deliverability, your SMS sender name may be replaced with a phone number in some cases. The next section is brand name. This name is displayed to our customers in various places, including on template website pages and emails. Then we have logo. This logo is displayed to your customers in various places, including on template website pages, in the Google Play Store and Apple App Store listings, also in your mobile app and in emails. To change the logo, you simply click on it and select a logo from a folder on your computer. The next section is color. This will allow you to set the color that is displayed to your customers in various places on your template web page or on your mobile apps. For example, when your customer hovers over a button on your website, this color will highlight the button. You can type in the hex color code here or simply select from a color palette. Next, we have the language section. You can select which languages your customers can view your website and apps in. When you have more than a single language available, a language selector will be available to your customers on your website and apps. The website and apps will automatically default to the most suitable language available based on your customer's browser or device language setting. Next, we've got store type, aka application category. This changes the wording used in the customer-facing messages. For example, if restaurant is selected, the order accepted SMS mentions chef, while if cafe is selected, the order accepted SMS mentions barista. Okay, great. Once we're happy with our settings here, let's take a look at editing the look and feel of our website and app. Click on Website and then Live Editor on the left-hand side of the page. This will load the website editor, which is a preview of your current site, and you can use the icons in the top right of the page to preview your page on mobile and tablet. On the left-hand side, there are different sections of the website. Let's take a closer look at what these refer to. Firstly, carousel refers to the main slider at the top of your page. Here you can add and remove as many images as you wish, and they will constantly rotate on your website. Click on the drop-down arrow and then click the plus box to add new images from your computer, or click on the red X on an image if you want to remove that image from your carousel. Next, we have the About section where you can select whether it's shown or not by using the toggle button, and you can edit the information in that section. Next, we have the opening hours. These will be pulled directly from your store opening hours settings. Here we're only able to change the image, and like with the About section, you can choose to show it or hide it on your website and app using the toggle button. Next, we can enable and disable your menu preview. If you enable this, your customers will be able to see a preview of your menu from the homepage and will be provided with a link for them to order. Next is the gallery section. In this section, we can add and remove extra images you might want to display relating to your business that might not have been appropriate for the carousel above. Then we have the testimonial section. Here we can change the image and add as many testimonials as we like. And finally, we have the contact form section. Here we can enable and disable the contact form and change the email address that contact submissions from your customers are sent to. And that's it. Hopefully this gives you a good idea of how you can customize your Flipdish websites and apps. If you want more information, please don't hesitate to contact us on help@flipdish.com. Thanks for watching. If you liked that video and want to learn more about Flipdish's online ordering platform and how to grow your online business, why not enroll for free in the Flipdish Academy today? We've over 30 courses covering everything from how to change your menu and delivery zones to how to use Instagram and Facebook to drive online sales. The link to enroll for free is in the description of this video below.